is not a joke. I just started my car and I set off a car alarm. Oh my God. I set off the car alarm starting my car. This is not a joke. Oh my God. That is hella funny. I'm dead. That's hella funny. Let's get it. Gang. What's up, guys? Mr. 392 here, back with another video. I'm still at work, but I'm almost off work, and once I get off work, I'm about to go head to Best Buy and get me a new camera, cause my GoPro cool. You feel me? The GoPro cool, but I want something better, so I'm gonna go buy something better. I'm gonna hit you guys back when I hit the road and make it to Best Buy, and we will go check out that new camera. That cold start is hella loud. Can't really hear it. That questionable tint. It's funny. Oh my God, so I made it to Best Buy. Oh, you see the Niner gang? Oh, let me lock my goddamn car first. Oh, where are my keys? There we go. All right, car's locked. All right, so I made the Best Buy. I want to go inside and buy this camera because I think the GoPro cool, but I need something else. Like, I need something better. So we got to go in Best Buy and check out this camera. Those are some cool tripods. What you guys think? No, I don't see it. Should I get a drone? What y'all think? I can't get no damn drone and fly that damn thing. I will never be able to fly that damn thing. Alright, let's see where they're all at. Wait, is it on this side? Nope, I don't think it's on that side. So I have the one from, oh wait, what's this one? Is this the one I just bought online? I think this is the one I just bought online, guys. And it's open box, so somebody brought it back. Wow. Maybe I should buy this and cancel the one online. But I don't know if it'll fit that camera. It's 80 bucks. It might not be the run. I don't know. Down here? That's only the 2. Where's the 3? Oh, the 3 is right there. So you guys see that? I'm buying that camera right there. So let's go find some help. We patiently wait for somebody to help you because I already asked for help and they still haven't came. So we just patiently wait for somebody to come help me. What do you guys think about these big ass cameras? Look at this shit. Look, this one comes with a fucking microphone. Look at this shit. It's kind of cool. It's a Sony. Got the screen. This one's cool. This one's kind of cool. What's this one? Sony. That price tag. That's $1,600. Ooh, that's expensive. There's like the other video cameras, 4K. That one's actually pretty cool though. That one's only $7.99. It's not too bad. It's actually pretty nice too. Sony's good and Nikon's good. Canon's good too. I want to take pictures. Look at this one. $1,700. Bro, y'all see this? 3K. Oh God. Expensive.
So it looks like I gotta go find help again because nobody still hasn't come to help me. So let's go walk around and find somebody to help me in the damn camera section because you can't find help in this goddamn store. What the fuck's wrong with you? 3 employees just walked by, didn't even acknowledge me, just see me standing here. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Like, fuck, goddamn, so much for customer service, huh? So much for customer service. Can you please call somebody to the camera section? I had to ask 3 different people and no one came. Appreciate it. So back to the camera section I go. Hopefully somebody finally helps me. I don't know. Yeah. Also, do you know if that tripod down there will work for it?
I'm not the camera expert.
Oh.
I just wanted to make sure that
Okay.
we put you in contact with the right people.
Because I'm trying to, I order one online, but if I can get it from here, I'm about to cancel that. So I'm curious.
No, it's not an IR key. Copy that, thank you.
I appreciate the help.
Yeah, of course.
I asked 3 different people and nobody came.
Well, they called on the walkie that someone needed help with the YouTube shirt, so I figured,
That's me.
it was you.
Yeah, that'd be me.
Chris?
That'd be me. Guys, I got my new camera. Got to get my new vlogging camera. I have a GoPro, but like I said, I want something better, something different, not all the same shit.
Yeah, well, cool.
But
I wish you luck with your vlogs. I hope you get lots of subscribers.
got my change.
You want a paper copy of that receipt as well? You got an email copy. Sent to
Paper's good too. Paper. So I got my camera. Looks like this. Like my camera. I can't wait to open this shit. I'm gonna go home and start fucking with it. But we got me a new vlogging camera. I seen it online. I only bought it because it was on sale. So like, why not? Cause it's normally $750, but I got it on sale for $650. So why not just buy it now? So I got it on sale. I'm about to go home because I'm actually dead ass tired. But about to get in the car, put this motherfucking heater on because I am cold as fucking Oakland. Well, it's like Oakland, Emeryville, but y'all know it's fucking whatever. Let's get to the house and go play with my new camera.
Bro, this is not a joke. I just started my car and I set off a car alarm. Oh my God. I set off the car alarm starting my car. This is not a joke. Oh my God. That is hella funny. I'm dead. That's hella funny. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can fucking see me. It's just hella dark. It's dark. But I gotta go to Target because I ain't got no fucking SD card for my camera. So like, what the fuck I'm gonna use? So I'm about to head to Target right now to go get that SD card, and then we're gonna go do that unboxing video about my new camera I just bought. So let's get there. Oh, I had to switch cars too because I don't feel like driving my Charger no more. Fuck that. Gotta drive the gas saver. But I need fucking gas. Fuck. All right, let me go fill this bitch up. Let's go to Target. Hey, these things suck. I had the Ring doorbell. It's just terrible. But I want this Bluetooth speaker so bad. Like, they still have some. It's still on sale. Look. I think I might buy it. Fuck that. They ain't got black though. I want black. I don't want gray. Gray's gay. All right, SD cards. Where are they at? What about a flat screen? Should I buy a new TV? I'm just kidding with a fucking TV. All right. Look, I got these cameras here too, but these are like cheaper cameras. I don't like these. All right. I looked on the thing. It says SD cards are on F1. I see headphones. I see headphones. Oh, here we go. Oh, wait. Yeah, here we go. Okay, 32 gig, 128 gig. This is exactly what I need. Oh, shit, they got 256? Oh, fuck that. Shit, I'll take 256 instead. Oh, man, they got a thing on it. All right. All right, so I made it to Wingstop, and that line's pretty fucking long. Looks like everybody wants Wingstop on a Saturday night. I don't even know where the line starts. So we just gonna find out where the line starts. 6 hours later, I finally got my goddamn food. All right, let's go home. Shit.
Shit. Let's go the fuck home. 6 hours later. So, I made it home. About to unbox my new camera. I have to go back outside and get my SD card because I fucking left it. Like an idiot. Alright, so, go ahead and put this bad boy open. Let's see here. Ooh. Had that limited warranty. The manual. Who reads these anymore? Y'all read manuals? I don't read fucking manuals. Just figure it out. Charger, the battery. See that? Cool. The wrist strap so you don't drop your shit. Battery. Little ass battery. I think I'm gonna go ahead and purchase another one. So I have 2 batteries. Like my GoPro, which is right here. I'm not getting rid of old reliable. Wait for it. I'm just kidding. That's so funny. This shit clean, bruh. About to make some good content with this. Oh, wait. Oh, the vlog camera. The vlog camera. You guys like my computer? It's my editing and my, Do you know I got this big ass printer for $5? Yeah, it prints amazing. So, I'm gonna go get the SD card and then I'm going to charge the battery because it's only like 2 bars. I don't want it to die, so I'm sitting here playing with it. But I'll be right back. Oh shit, and it's fucking touchscreen. Ooh. How's it look, guys? The focus is alright. I mean, oh there. Oh, that shit's hella clear. Ooh. Say hi. What y'all think? This shit pretty clear. It's funny. I like this. I like this camera really much. Let's see here. Oh shit, you can zoom in. Ooh. Yeah, it focuses. Oh, that's hella cool. Oh, that's nice. Alright. There's no card, menu, image quality. Okay, I don't care about none of that. I'm going through all the settings right now. That's a wrap for this video. That's a wrap for this video on my camera. I'm gonna make another video of actually me using this motherfucker because I want to see how good the picture comes out. So stay tuned for that video because it won't be very long. Probably like maybe tomorrow. So like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that bell notification. Stay up to date on my content. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.